Hello everyone, I hope that you guys are doing absolutely fantastic, and today I'm coming to you with some very not so good news, some shady news, and that is that Binance is being sued right now, and that's not something we really wanted to see before the beautiful New Year's Eve. And by the way, once again, happy holidays. And without any further ado, I'm not going to spend too much time on any of this. So it's holiday season and you guys really want to know what's going on. So we're going to take a look at some very important news, and especially Binance being sued right now. And then we're going to come back and take a look at the technicals. And there is an interesting signal that is looming right now and that is potentially is going to happen. So it's going to give an interesting trading opportunity. And remember that if you want to see all of my trades, then you can go down into the description of this video or into the pinned comment and join my free Discord channel. This is where actually I post all of my trades, so you can see them for absolutely free. All you need to do is join this VIP signal section, and the trade results of our members are absolutely astonishing. So if you're not part of it, then click the link down below and join us right now. And let's start with some news on Fidelity right here. And Fidelity, and this is very positive actually, but it's positive in a long-term perspective, that Fidelity is filing for metaverse trademarks in their latest crypto push. You know, you all know what Fidelity is and how big they are. So they're actually preparing for the next bull market. And you know, while everything is down, they're actually building, and that's really cool. The same thing goes for HSBC. We all know HSBC. I mean, comment down below if you don't know what HSBC is. It's a huge, giant financial player in the world right now. And it has also filed trademarks for a wide range of digital currency and metaverse products. And you can find this full article at news.bitcoin.com and read exactly what they've done. But this is also very bullish. But again, it's bullish in a long-term perspective. Now, if we're going to take a look at this is also quite bullish in my personal opinion. But again, the same thing, bullish long term, that Japan could lift a ban on USDT Tether and USDC circulation, recognizing stablecoins as digital money. So it's coming, it's looming. Despite all the negativity, despite all the dumps, etc., I think that this is still mega cool. But now let's talk about the short-term perspective. And in short-term perspective, nothing is getting better, quite frankly. And let's talk about Binance being sued. And before we do, remember that if you want an exchange that actually is transparent, that has full proof of reserves and gives you incredible cash back on your trading fees, which looks like this basically in your trading account, so $13, $3, $11, whatever, then you have to use my link down in the description of this video and join BitGet. And this is what you're gonna get, this feature with cash back. You can get it only if you're gonna be using my link down below to sign up and open an account today. And also, if you deposit today, you can claim up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses on top of your initial deposit in real money. And also my famous paid crypto course for absolutely free if you deposit more than $500. And this also, by depositing money and trading on BitGet, it will grant you access to my VIP section in Discord, where you'll be able to see all of my trades. So it's a win-win, an incredible place to be. So now let's move on to more FUD on Binance. And again, a lot of people can say it's all FUD, which it is, certainly, but it's not helping the industry. And if it's certainly something like this is also could be considered FUD, we're going to go through this step by step, but it could set a very unpleasant precedent. So let's go through this. So Binance faces a lawsuit in France over Terra USD collapse. Like, Jesus Christ, like what else? Like, what's going to be next? What do you guys want? Is it all just a huge team of people that got together and decided, oh, now we have to, you know, avenge the collapse of FTX? You know, I don't know what this is, but nonetheless, Binance France, so it's happening in France, and its global parent are sued by 15 investors who claim the cryptocurrency giant flouted whatever local regulations, so ignored regular regulation with misleading commercial practices. So the plaintiffs shared screenshots showing that Binance's marketing materials in French prior that they were actually marketing their stuff in French language prior to registering its business with local regulators, including a telegraph channel, whatever. So Binance France is also facing charges for the sale of USTC and its sister cryptocurrency Lund, so Terra Luna. The lawsuit lists a controversial algorithmic stablecoin and other tokens that it claims are securities Binance was selling in violation of law, and the buyers were not warned of the risks involved in their purchases. So the complaint further alleges that Binance and its senior management deliberately marketed the troubled project, and this is the main part I think, because its global parent had previously invested in it. And if they could prove something like this, this could turn out to be quite ugly. As a result, the plaintiffs allegedly lost 2.4 million euros while the exchange was advertising the collapsed token as being US dollar backed. So in addition, French investors claim that Binance was the actual seller, and this also, if proven, could be quite painful. When the exchange take place, that Binance was actual seller when the exchange was taking place, crediting and debiting the parties involved in the transaction in its accounts, rather than facilitating a direct exchange between two parties, which an exchange is supposed to be an exchange. It's not supposed to be selling you something directly. So in response, Binance France actually said it did not receive any notifications relating to criminal or civil proceedings. It also confirmed that it never carried out any promotional communications in France before receiving the registration from the country's authorities. And Binance, and they also are stating that Binance secured a digital asset service provider registration in May, which enables its Paris-based office to offer trading and custody services for cryptocurrencies on its platform. It also helped boost Binance's ambitions in Europe after it has been on shaky grounds this year, with regulators in the UK and elsewhere putting the exchange under intensive scrutiny. So what we have here is a potential huge lawsuit claiming that Binance did a lot of illegal stuff, but Binance is kind of, declining it and saying that it's just not true. So is this just extra FUD? We'll find out. Should we really be worried right now because of this? I wouldn't say so, but certainly this is something to pay attention to. If this would, these points that we discussed, if they would actually be proven, this is, again, it's not going to kill Binance, but it could set a terrible precedent and it could spike a cascading amount of lawsuits and class action lawsuits against Binance, if this is what some people want to achieve here, which could spell huge trouble for Binance down the road in 2023, in my opinion. Tell me what you guys think in the comments from this, in the comments. So now let's get to the technicals, and the technicals so far very boring, but there is an interesting signal. So we've been in this vicinity, in this flag wedge formation, which usually is a bearish pattern. But again, patterns, they just work until they don't. So now we have very important mirroring level right here. I think I placed it quite accurately because you always want to place them with the most amount of confirmations or CSLs. So here we have resistance, and it turned into very important support, and we broke below and now turned into a resistance, yet again a very important level. Then we also had a very important support right here, and finally, if we're going to go to a smaller time frame, we're going to see that we are actually breaking down below, and we just confirmed this breakdown. And certainly in a 15-minute chart, we're seeing a small amount of volume. So I don't know, depending on how fast this video comes out, maybe with a small stop loss, we could entertain a shorting possibility. But if we're going to take a look at the 4-hour chart, then again, if you want to see a 4-hour confirmation, it's going to come in about 30 minutes. And it seems like it could actually close above again. And if it does, then we have to also look at the volume, and the volume is just not there. So even if it does close down below, maybe some kind of a shorting opportunity with a target of a 16,700, but not more than this. So far, it's just been quite boring. We'll see how that develops, but certainly it is a signal, so I have to mention it to you guys since we're technical traders here as well. Just use proper risk and money management, and if you want to become one of my students with a Christmas minus 40% discount, there is a link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Christmas sale is ending very soon, so join us today, become a student in my inner circle, and learn everything from me, exactly how it's done in a proper way with proper risk and money management. And check out this tutorial so that you know how to open trades and how to operate in BitGet, etc. Join my free Discord channel, link down below. Make some noise, call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments. And as always, happy holidays, peace and love, Thomas Krallo. Stay smart, stay rich, stay educated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.